how to replace the pull cord on this Stihl leaf blower, commonly used for pressure washers, and we use in our pressure washing and soft washing business in the UK. That's the model. Here's how to do it. So what we've got is a broken cable on our leaf blower like this. It gets all frayed, breaks up. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the Torx bits. That's the Torx bit, and it's these bolts here that need to be taken out. It's going to turn them anti-clockwise to take them out. So take them out. You've got 3 in total. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to take the cover off. Give it a little wobble. And this is what we've got. So you'll take out the old starter cable, and this is how to reattach it. So if we've got the front of the casing, you can see where the cable goes through. So we've got 2 types. We've got a thin cable and a thick cable. We want this thinner one. So you're going to put it through the hole, and then it's got to come through the back here and back through, and it's really hard to do. So what I do is I pull the cable through, so I've got loads of room. So put loads through, pull it all the way through like that, so I've got loads, and then I will do this. Pull it through. See how I've got it pulled through like a loop? And what's that's going to allow me to do is to be able to push this through the hole quite easy. There we go. Give it a little twiddle. That goes through. Now I've got it through now. So what it allows me to do, hold this. There we go, done. Now I'll just tie a knot in the end. Like so. There we go. Done. So what you'll notice is there's like a spring on this. So I'm just going to let it naturally coil back up. And that's all I've got on there now. So I've got this pull cord. So I'm going to need it about there. Tie a knot in the end, and that's going to allow the mechanism to work. Okay, so it's coiled on now. Just have a play with it, as you can see. So it goes to about there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to chop it. Chop it about here. So now if I tied a knot on here, this thing is going to be dangling if I just put a knot in there. So what I do is I hold this till I can just about feel the spring return, and then I'm going to go like that. There we go. Beautiful. Pretty happy with that. Now it's a case of putting it back on. So before we put it on, let's just check the air filter. So you can unscrew this, and then you can check the air filter, make sure it's in good order, it's not dirty. Looks pretty good. Put that back on. This side. 1, 2, 3. Put all our cables back. Back in the bag. And then we'll keep them in our spares box. So now we'll just test it. Gonna give it a pump with some petrol, prime it, turn the choke on, If you got value from this video, I'd appreciate you to give us a thumbs up. And if you like soft washing equipment, give us a subscribe. Peace.